If you're looking for a new way to make money online and you're passionate about YouTube, then you might just want to take a look into TubeBuddy. Hello and welcome back to the channel where we cover different side hustles to help you make more money in less time. So in this video, we're going to talk about 3 different ways how you can make money with TubeBuddy. Starting with number 1, signing up for their affiliate program. So the simplest and most straightforward way that you can start making money online with TubeBuddy is to sign up for their affiliate program. In addition to earning money from TubeBuddy's affiliate program, you can even earn their legend license for referring people even if they never sign up for a paid license, meaning you get TubeBuddy for free. So how it works is once you're approved for their affiliate program, you can start sharing your unique link with your audience, and when people sign up for TubeBuddy, you get paid. Now, what's really cool about a program like this versus an affiliate program for a standalone product like maybe a camera or a TV is the reoccurring revenue model. Because TubeBuddy is a software that renews monthly, you also get paid a monthly commission for as long as that person stays a TubeBuddy customer. And this can seriously add up over time. Just take a look at Roberto Blake. He's made over $265,400 from TubeBuddy affiliates alone. So the next way to make money using TubeBuddy is to use it to grow your own YouTube channel so that you can get monetized and start earning money through the YouTube Partner Program. There is a lot of money to be made on YouTube, but knowing what videos will resonate with your audience can be extremely difficult. Now, here's the reality. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. Just think about it. If you have a question, you're either going to A, Google it, or B, search YouTube for a video tutorial on how to answer whatever question you might have. But knowing what to make videos on can feel like an impossible task to complete. And that's where TubeBuddy can help you find video ideas that people actually want to see and are actively searching for on YouTube so that you can capture that traffic. For example, when you have TubeBuddy installed and you search something on YouTube, you can get a keyword score. This keyword score will tell you the search volumes, or how many people are actively searching for this term, as well as the competition for this keyword. So ideally, you want to have a high search volume and low competition. This is the sweet spot, and this is where the best ideas for videos will fall into for this category. TubeBuddy also gives you other related searches to help you narrow your search down to the best possible keywords. This alone is going to help you grow your channel by actually being found in the search feature of YouTube, which will help you get monetized faster. Number 3, help other creators grow their channel. Well, instead of having your own channel and using TubeBuddy to grow your own channel, you could take your TubeBuddy skills and go and help other creators grow and scale their channels. To get started, you could go look for work on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, YouTube Jobs, and YouTube Careers. You could also just start looking for up-and-coming creators on YouTube and reach out to them directly and offer your services and charge them a monthly fee. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, why don't people just do this for themselves? And the answer is that a lot of people don't even know that a tool like TubeBuddy exists, or maybe they do know that it exists and they simply just don't have the time to optimize their channel and would be willing to pay you thousands of dollars to help them grow their channels. So whether you want to grow your own channel or just make some extra money helping other people grow their channels, TubeBuddy is a great tool to help you cut through the noise on YouTube and is essential in today's competitive YouTube landscape. So if you want to get started with TubeBuddy today, there will be a link down in the description for you to get started. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button and consider subscribing for more videos on how to make money online with side hustles. But other than that, thank you for watching, and we will see you here in the next video.